Hey there mga my loves collective! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in the channel. So by the way, hi pala sa mga new subscribers ako po yan. Welcome! At sa mga returning subscribers, thank you so much for the warm love at support ang binibigay niyo po sa akin no, sa pagpabalik-balik ninyo dito sa channel nito at sa aking other channel. So kung hindi niyo pa knows, meron pa po tayong other channel. The link is down sa ating description box. Kaya kung gusto niyo rin tumambay dyan, then see you there. So yan nga mga babes, now we're gonna take a look at this 5 important things you need to know right now. Yes, you heard it right now. 5 important things you need to know right now. So just take only what resonates here with you guys. Ito lahat tayong gender here, bae, lalaki, LGBT, cross-watchers, thank you so much for being here with us. And yan, timeless din po ito, but we're gonna take a look at like right now. We're gonna take a look at those messages na dapat mong ma-receive ngayon na. Okay? So, thank you so much, Archangel Michael, for being present here in this reading together with the lovely angels and spirit guides, and of course, the ancestors of the viewers, yan, no? Or my loyal subscribers. Thank you so much for the warm love and support na patuloy ninyong binabahagi sa akin. Thank you. So, let's see. Can you please give me 5 important messages na dapat malaman ng aking mga nakshis? 5 important messages for my collective people. Can you please show me? So much appreciated your presence here. Can you please show me 5 important messages? Just gathering up the right energies here for you, sweethearts. LGBTQs, of course, welcome rin kayo mga honey. Just take out as it resonates, okay? 5 important things. 5 important things for my collective people. Can you please show me 5 important things they need to know? Okay. Let's go ahead, check this 5 important things. Let's start with the first message. Dragonfly. So it looks like meron ka ditong malalaman, but this is something here na magpapalaya sa'yo. Isang bagay na magdudulot ng pagbabago dito, no? Maaring medyo masakit ito, maaring ito ay posibleng bagay na ayaw mo sanang marinig, pero yan ay magdudulot ng magandang pagbabago, no? Makikita mo yung pagbabago pagtapos mo maghilom sa kung ano man tong malalaman mo. Maaring truth to, tinago sa'yo, no? Lihim, sinikreto, no? And maaring ito ay malaman mo. Pero nakikita ko dito na masakit man itong malaman ngayon, pero magdudulot ito ng pagbabago na alam kong dun ka talaga nire-redirect. Ano man itong pagbabago nito, kailangan mo itong sabayan kasi ito talaga yung pagbabago na talagang laan para sa'yo. So, maaaring meron kang malaman na sikretong tinatago rito, pero ito yung sikretong magpapalaya sa'yo. Magkakaroon dito ng pagbabago, like unusual, no? Hindi ito yung usual mong ginagawa araw-araw, no? Yung pagbabago na ito, no, is pagbabago talagang mararamdaman mo. Okay? Pero yun nga, no, maaaring masaktan ka sa malalaman mo rito, pero yan naman yung magdadala sa'yo para, okay, makalaya ka na, no, sa kung ano man yung kinaiistakan mo na sitwasyon ngayon. So, maaaring yung sikreto na yan, no, is manggaling dun sa posibleng pinagkakatiwalaan mong tao, or maaaring ikagulat mo yung sikreto na yan kasi maaaring hindi yan yung bagay na inaasahan mo. Tapos, yun pala, no, yun pala ay isang klase ng sitwasyon na ikakagulat mo kasi kung sino yung posibleng pinagkakatiwalaan mo ay maaaring siya pang naglihim nito or maaaring siya pa yung pinaka-involved sa sitwasyon na yan. But don't worry, with the dragonfly right here, you've got wings in there. So you can be able to fly once again. You can be able to spread your wings once again. In short, you can be able to be happy again. So second message that I'm picking up here for you guys, the love. Yeah. If it is a love and connection here, I'm picking up that love is coming your way. And this is not just love. Look at that. It's unconditional love. Diba? Yung pain na yan is magdadala sa'yo sa kung paano mo alagaan yung sarili mo, self-love, self-care, okay? And with that big heart na niyayakap mo, nakikita ko dito that you will hug new love because you will see a strong potential, no, na makikita mo dito na kaya pala nangyari yung bagay na yun, kaya pala nangyayari yung mga bagay na hindi magaganda para magising tayo or maredirect tayo sa kung saan talaga tayo dapat mapunta. So maybe it's a failed relationship for others of you, maaaring hindi nag-work na relationship or baka dun sa nalaman mo, baka yun ang nag-cause ng separation, no, between you and the person here that you love. But it will surely redirect you to that biggest reason bakit nangyari yon, for you to be able to receive unconditional love. And when we say unconditional love, hindi mo yun makukumpara sa kahit na anong klase ng love because it is personalized, customized, no? Para sa'yo, ni universe. So that is the type of person, yung person na nilalaman ng yung checklist. The person here mabait, may itsura, gwapo, maganda, mabuting tao, may trabaho, nagmamalaki ako, blah, 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 blah. Check, 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 check. All of those checklists, no, magdadagdag ka pa nga dahil mahihigatan niya pa ang mga inaasahan mo sa isang perfect partner, and you will hug this person here like you do not want to let go of this person here. But for some reason, this person here, parang yung work niya has something to do with travel, no? Kasi I'm hearing that song. So kiss me and smile for me. Tell me that you'll wait for me. Yan. So whatever the case may be, I think this person here, yung work niya has something to do with travel, baka siya siyang pilot. Or maybe this person here is working, no, maaaring sa cruise ship, yan, no? And I think this person here is parang, mawawala siya ng ilang weeks or ilang days, no? And then this person here will come back, no? So it looks like yung trabaho niya is related to travel or may travel involved. Yan. Pero laging babalik sa inyo. Yan. And this person, you will always miss each other. Mamimiss din yung isa't isa. So, ganun yung mangyayari kaya nakikita ko na madalas kayo dito magvi-video call. Don't worry kasi hindi ko nakikitang ine-neglect niya kayo rito. This is a very loving person at hindi niya hahayaan na mag-isip ka ng hindi maganda. At saka unconditional love yung marireceive mo sa kanya. Hindi siya rito flirt, no, with other people. Faithful siya sa'yo. Yan. Bongga! At yun pa yung middle ng ating reading, diba? So, another message that we're getting for you guys is the separation. Yes, you could be in separation with that person right now. Di pa kayo nagkikita, but this person here is surely your person. No? Yun ang nakikita ko dito. Yan. And also, syempre added message lang naman yun. Pero ang pinaka nakukuha ko talaga with this separation is there's someone here missing you right now. And I think it is someone here na malayo sa'yo or may gap na or may lamat na, may lumot pa nga yung iba sa connection niyo sa kanya. This person here is thinking about you all the time. And this person here, pag iniisip ka niya, nakakaramdam siya dito ng lungkot, gusto niya dito tumakbo sa'yo, pero yung iba ang layo-layo niya sa'yo, like physically far talaga sa'yo, like location difference. Pero yung iba, doesn't have to be na ganun kalayo, no? Pero posibleng malaki na yung gap ng inyong connection. No? Malaki na rin yung gap. Like, hindi na talaga kayo nagpansinan ever. This person here is, hindi na siya sure sa future niya kasi wala ka na. So, I think this person here is stepping into your energy because the more na umaandar yung araw, the more na nagiging malungkot siya. Ayaw niya ng gabi kasi mas naalala ka niya. Siguro gabi kayo madalas nag-uusap nito, lalo na kapagka after school, after work, noon, lagi kayo nagcha-chat, video call, up until madaling araw or dawn, diba? Pero this person here is missing those moments. I think this is your ex. Araw-araw, lalo siyang mas nagiging malungkot dahil wala ka na. Okay? You're already in separation with this person here. This person here longs for you, sine-save niya pa rin dito yung number mo kahit nagpalit ka na or whatever 'no, naka-save pa rin diyan. At kung ano yung tawag niya sa'yo, babe, baby, asawa ko, bebe ko underscore zero, Jejemon. Ayan 'no, at kung ano pang tawagan, honey, my love, yan, sweetheart, yan, or whatever, yun pa rin yung pangalan mo sa phone niya. This person's missing you so badly. This person keeps on looking at your photos. This person here keeps on remembering here your face. Hindi niya pa rin nakakalimutan yan. The smell, your perfume, your cologne. Nare-remember niya pa rin yan. Kaya kahit napapadaan siya sa grocery, sa market, or even sa mga convenient no stores. This person, pag naamoy niya yun or napadaan siya ron, nare-remember ka niya lalo rito. Pag naalala ka niya, nalulungkot siya eh. Kasi nga ang gusto niya, nasa tabi ka niya ngayon. Gusto niyang hawakan yung kamay mo, mag-holding hands kayo like this, hindi lang yung ganito, ganito talaga. You know, yun talaga. So whatever the case may be, this person here wants to hold you, hug you, wants to be with you, and I do pick up that this person here like, it's just a pangarap, you know. Parang pangarap na lang daw ito. Para itong isang klase ng pag-ibig na umusbong, tapos nalanta yung bulaklak, and then naglaho na rin, no? Ang inyo ditong connection. Yan. Another message that I'm getting here for you guys, important message, four important message. The fourth one is this, healing heart. Yes, I do see na nagkakaroon ka na rito ng laya na ipahayag ang iyong sarili, mas naiintindihan mo na rin ngayon yung nangyayari sa life mo. This is you, you're not worry about kung anong sasabihin ng ibang tao. You're just going after your dreams. And matapang ka rito nagmamahal ulit, no? That's why there's new person coming towards you. Or yung iba, kakilala nyo na or getting to know na kayo, no? Ito na yun, pinag-usapan natin with love, no? Unconditional love. No, that person is a healing connection here for you guys at mas matutulungan ka niya na mas paghilumin pa yung mga sugat mo from the past no, or cause ng iyong past. At nakikita ka dito that with the healing heart, mas may express mo pa yung sarili mo dito, no? Hindi lang sa love, but also, nakikita ko na may paparating mo ideas mo baka sa work, no? Ikaw ito na maaring mahiyain ka noon or parang feeling mo hindi naman malaking tulong yung sasabihin mo or yung every time na magbe-brainstorming kayo together with your team or with your department right here or with your work related or negosyo man ito or business, nakita ko rito na you are now confident no, na sabihin rito yung iyong opinion or kung may plano ka or kung meron kang idea, concepts na makakatulong dito sa business, trabaho, career, job, whatever, nakita ko na willing ka na speak it out. Yan, oo. So, nakikita ko dito na mas nagiging confident ka, mas naghihilom ka, mas gumagaling ka, at nakikita ko na malaki yung tulong ng new person kasi parang naa-addict ka ulit in love. But don't worry, kasi kahit ma-addict ka sa love, that person will definitely save you. Kasi siya yung person mo eh. Okay? So, okay lang magpakalalim ka o lulong ka dito sa love. Kasi kahit mahulog ka diyan ng ilang beses 'no, sasaluin at sasaluin ka niya. So, malaki siya rito na nakikita kong magiging ambag, malaking ambag niya sa paghilom mo rito at sa pagbuo mo ulit sa sarili mo at sa pag-ayos ulit ng iyong buhay 'no. Kumbaga, ikaw naman talaga yung pinakamakakagawa niya sa sarili mo, pero magiging malaki lang yung tulong or ambag niya rito 'no, para mas makabangon ka with a healing heart right here. Yung iba sa inyo siguro pagka may ginagawa kayo, pinupusod or tinatali ninyo ang inyong hair. So, yung iba siguro yung work ninyo something to do with tinatali yan, pinuponi. Baka you're working in a store, in a shop, or yung iba siguro chef, or maybe you are working in food industry, yan, or drinks, yan. Whatever the case may be, I'm seeing that you are someone here na very cautious, no? Pagdating dito sa iyong mga ginagawa 'no, and also I'm picking up that this is you, mas nagiging malaya ka ngayon na ipahayag yung sarili mo 'no, damdamin mo, mga words na gusto mo sabihin 'no, it's just that this time mas matapang ka, okay? Mas matapang ka dito ngayon. And last but not the least message, important fifth message here for you guys is the hammer. I do see, no, that you are really starting to rebuild something. But yung iba siguro may papagawa kayo rito, planning kayo na magpagawa rito ng bahay, new home, or baka may aayusin kayo dyan sa house ninyo. Yan, nakikita ko rito na posibleng magkaroon ng mga parang mga little issues like kompleto ba yung permit nyo sa pagpapagawa niyan, no? Siguro bumisita yung barangay or whatever, no? Na parang magtatanong ganyan kung meron man dito may pinapagawang bahay, no? Okay lang yan. Kailangan naman talagang i-show yung mga permits, no? So, nakikita ko dito na kompleto naman yung inyong mga documents, no? So, no need to worry about that. At yung iba naman na doesn't have to be na pinapagawa kayo ditong bahay. Iba naman baka may kotse, tas yung kotse ninyo is nandun sa pagawaan, no? Sa car shop or sa car service. Yan. Nakita ko na parang yung iba dito is posibleng magkaroon ng problem, no, with their car or baka may maintenance na kailangang gawin, no, sa inyong car. Don't worry, wala naman tayong nakitang accident dito. It's just that, maaring this is you're fixing your home, doing some kind of repair, or yung iba naman baka sa sasakyan ninyo, yan. But also, I'm picking up right here na mukhang meron kayo ritong mga paglalaanan ng inyong oras at effort sa mga susunod na araw here. Yan, no? Kasi I'm seeing you working on something at marami ritong oras nilalaan mo. Very persistent ka at pinupuso mo talaga yan. So, maaring kung ano yan, nakikitaan mo yan ng outcome result or iniisip mo na agad yung magiging resulta niyan positively. Okay? In a positive way. Kaya parang medyo energetic yung datingan mo. So, maaaring meron kang gagawin, baka related sa work or sa trabaho mo rito, pero nakikita ko na mataas yung energy mo. Okay? On high ka rito. So, nakikita ko na ano man yan, nagpo-focus ka rin sa outcome, no? At hindi dun sa process kung paano mo yung ginagawa, which is very good. Kasi pag tinitingnan mo yung outcome agad-agad, parang ni-inspire ka to do more. Diba? So, wow! And let's see at the bottom of the deck added message here for you guys. We have here the mirror. So, we have here the mirror. So, I could see, no, na your person could be your twin flame. This one that I'm picking up. You could be yin and yang, and you could be mirroring each other experiences in life. At pag nagkita kayo at nagkakwentuhan kayo, you will definitely malalaman ninyo, uy, parang similar tayo na nangyari. Ay, talaga, nung bata ako, ganyan din yung nangyari sa akin. See? You could be mirroring okay, experiences with this person even though hindi pa kayo nagkakilala ever. Soulmate vibe. That's your soul connection, okay, na kumo-connect rito sa taong ito. Okay, but with the mirror, I do see rin, okay, na meron ka rin ditong ex na posibleng um, sinusubaybayan ka pa rin niya. Tinitingnan niya pa rin dito yung mga ginagawa mo, titingnan niya dito kung okay ka ba or you're happy without him or her. This is not that person na namimiss ka ha. This is a different type of energy. So, maaring meron kayong ex rito na hindi pa rito nakaka-detach from you. But this person here, I'm seeing that there's something pity about his or her energy. Why? Kasi, kinokopya niya kung anong ginagawa mo. Like literally, when you post something happy ka online, this person will post na happy rin siya. But the thing is, hindi talaga siya happy. It's just that this person is just copying you for the sake of other people. Paanong ganun? Para pag-usapan na rin na, ay parehas na pala silang happy sa kanilang life. Okay na pala. Yan, no? Ay, okay na pala si ano, no? Yung ex ni ano. Yan. Pero yung totoo, hindi pa rin siya okay. So, this person could be spying on you. This person here could be, nare-reflect niya na rito lahat ng mga mistakes niya sa inyo. Pero, not enough para mag-apologize or mag-sorry siya sa'yo. It's just that this person here is trying to be in denial pa. No? So, nakita ko rito na posibleng super attached pa rin siya sa'yo. Okay? Pero, hindi ko nakikita magpapakumbaba siya rito para mag-sorry sa'yo. Yan. Oh, this person could be spying on you, looking at your social media, could be creating dummy accounts just to follow you. Okay? So, these are all the important 5 messages right here for you guys. Thank you so much for your time here, babe, and just take how this resonates. If you're interested with the other channel, please click the link down below. Thank you so much. 사랑해요, love and light. 안녕.